Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking and another installment of Soul Food Sunday. Today, I'll be making Salisbury steak. You will need 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of mushrooms, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of beef broth, 1 10-ounce can of French onion soup, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. To the ground beef, add your garlic powder and ground mustard. Now add the salt and pepper. Add the breadcrumbs and egg, then mix until well combined. Now form the ground beef into oval patties. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then fry your ground beef for 5 minutes on both sides. After 10 minutes, remove your steaks from the pan and set them aside. Now add your oil to the pan, then saute your onions for 2 minutes. Now add your mushrooms and continue to saute for an additional 2 minutes. Now add the flour and mix until well combined. Add the beef broth and French onion soup and mix well. Now add the ketchup and Worcestershire sauce, mix well, and bring to a light simmer. Return your steaks to the pan, then cover and allow it to cook for an additional 10 minutes. Don't forget to head over to Smokin and Grillin with AB, Cooking with CJ, and Camirra's Kitchen to see what they're cooking up this Soul Food Sunday. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.